Hi everyone, Careless Andrew here. Been a Wednesday, Challenge Lock Wednesday. Today I received a couple of challenge locks from NorthWegian Lockpicker. So I've got number 3 here and the number 4 here. So I'll go in numerical order. So number 3. Okay. So looks like it's got a C4 keyway. Then you look at the key. Looks like a Schlage bow. Interesting. Hold on, let me see. Here we got a LW4 blank. Well, not blank. It's just a cut key. Yeah, it fits in the. So it's a C4 profile. Haven't seen a C4 profile on a. Well, that just came off. And some shrink wrap. Okay, so that was attached to somewhere. Okay, it was attached to the tailpiece. Okay, cool. Well, I guess that was supposed to come off anyway. Yeah, so it's a C4 keyway. But on a, it's got the Schlage style backing as well. Don't know. I've never seen one of these types of locks before. Very interesting. So anyway, this one's called Deep False Hope. I'll give you a close up. This is just mad. This is awesome, man. So you got awesome engraving, Deep False Hope by NorthWegian Lockpicker, CL number 3. And on one side you got the middle finger, and the other side you got a smiley face. So, I'm thinking maybe if you go counterclockwise, you might get a bit of that. And if you go that way, you might get a bit of joy. So I'm going to go clockwise. I'm going to take the clues, man. So, alright, let's get into the device. So, how is it going to get this into the device? So have it nice and pointy like that. Feels pretty good in there. Ooh, feels like I'm bending these. These actually come out. You could have saved yourself weight and postage. Just kidding. In that case, it's pretty much like a 201 cylinder. So take these things out, and what I try to do is get them in the grooves of the vise so it doesn't move. So it's nice and flush against the vise and full control. I can't test if it works because the key's mummified, man. So anyway, I will put these back on later for the next person, next victim. So C4 keyway. So the way I do C4s is either I go top of the keyway with this thingamajig from Down to Monkey, or I go bottom of the keyway with this thingamajig, which I built from watching Chris Capoon's little DIY video. Either way, I'm going clockwise for the smiley face. So, picks. I will go for my favourite, which is the B-shoot. If I can get him out, if I can find him. No, I don't know. Pick up a bunch of picks and you think it's the right one, but it's not. Alright, so sorry for the lighting, it's late. Yeah, it's a late night shoot here. Here we go. Alright, I'll put these over here. Don't know how I'm gonna go. I haven't picked a challenge lock in ages. So yeah, excuses, come on. Alright, it's like riding a bike here. Cool. I don't know if I'm in frame. I'm in frame. Alright, so Deep False Hope, and jeez, I'll show you something. Yeah, there's some spools in that one. That's some Deep False sets, man. Alright, Deep False Hope. going the smiley face way. The smiley face way. Alright. So, very, very light tension. I hate when that thing does that. Don't want to over tighten either. Anyway. Don't be blocking the shocks as you do. Oh god. 5 minutes in, I'm not even picking. Alright, here we go. Light tension. Feels like one is binding. Oh, that felt rough. Okay, I'm not sure if that was an overset or a set. Nothing off 2, 3. Oh, 4 is binding heavily from the bottom. Okay, just I feel like serrated pins there actually. Of 4 and 5. Let me get 5 here. Over tension, slip back 5. Don't feel anything on 5. Tension is going up, but not like a spool. So 4 and 4. 3. 2. Okay, just touched 1 and got a fair bit of movement on the core. So maybe that wasn't an overset on 1. Okay, 2 is binding from the bottom. Oh, this is such a crunchy lock. Real crunchy lock. This has got serrations in it. Alright, through now. Just trying to. Oh, that was a bit of movement there. Nice. 3, 4, 5. Okay, just trying to sort of pump each. Oh, just touched 2 and more of a. I'm in a deep false set now. Oh, pretty false set now. Don't know if you can see that. It's pretty shiny. I am in a false set. Pretty much there. So that's deep false hope. Man, it's getting darker as well, damn it. I don't have much time to pick these days, but oh, just touch 2 again, slightly, and a bit more movement. Nothing off 3, nothing off 4. 5 does feel low. Very, very low. Trying to pump 5. It feels weird pumping like see if it gives me counter rotation, I guess. So I'm just tapping it to see if it gives me counter rotation. Oh god. So 1, 2 feels like it's dropped, but I'm not sure. 3. 4. Okay, let's go from the back now. Yeah, 5 feels very low. I'll give a bit of manual counter. No. So 5. It sort of wants to go. No, 4. 3. 2's going up here. Okay, 2. I don't know. Don't trust it. 1, 2. Something fell. 3. Okay, something back there. What was that? is a very crunchy, rough CL, man. I might change tensioners in a minute because this one is just doesn't feel right. It's not giving me any counter. Been in this same false set for a while now. I've been trying to get something out of each pin just by bouncing it, not pumping it, but bouncing it, and it's not giving me anything. Hands off tensioner and everything. 3 just stays where it is. 4 5. As you can see, there's nothing. Oh, jeez, something happened there. There's a lot of movement there. Okay. Oh, am I just bouncing on the tensioner with the pick? Okay, got a click there, I believe, out of 5. And a bit of movement. 4, 3, 2, 1. Not too sure, not too sure. 2 does feel low. I'm going to try to give a bit of counter rotation. Manual counter rotation, I mean. But I'm pressing, I'm digging into that pin and it's just not moving anywhere. 3, 4, 5. Oh, and we got an open. Okay, I just bounced on 5, and wow, I want to see what's inside this thing. This thing is trippy. Hardly any feedback at all, and just a really weird pick. But a great job in deception, I think, with this one. I'll put that there to put that back on later. That's for the key part. So that is an open, as you can see. Gee, 12 minutes 37. I'm getting old. I'm just getting. Oh, and I closed it back up. Now I need to. Where's the key thing gone? So now I need to. Oh, jeez. I need to open the key. I opened the key. I was going to leave it open. I do have shrink wrap, so I might as well zoom out and do this properly. So I do have shrink wrap, so I'll get rid of this shrink wrap on the key, and I will. Oh, what? He's got some other stuff written on the key. Oh, this guy's awesome, man. Oh, this is great. Respect the keyway. And don't stick your pick in. That's awesome, man. Respect the keyway or don't stick your pick in. I love it. Deep false hope. Alright, now disassembly of deep false hope. So, oh Jesus, where's the light source gone? Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm a bit discombobulated because it's been a while since I've done a video or picked a challenge lock. I love picking challenge locks. Let's put this guy here because I didn't end up using him. So what do I need? I need a pick to undo this bit. Oh, it's closed up, yep. And oh, this is weird. This is okay. That's coming off. That's coming off. That's coming off. Spring and pin. We have a shim. That's important. We've got the key. Oh, look at that. That's nasty, man. I didn't even look at the bitting. That's nasty, bro. Oh, gotta show you this, guys. Look at that. Chomp. That's a cool. That's a cool. That's some cool bitting, bro. Looks awesome. It's a lot of high lifts, eh? 1, 2, 3 is a low one, I think. 4. I don't know. It's a bit off, isn't it? Anyway, we'll have a look. We'll have a deeper investigation. Turn it into a half-hour video, whatever. So, the key does not work. What? No, it did move for a second. Moved a bit. I don't know what is going on. Is this trickery? Am I doing something wrong here? Ah, okay. I think because it's a brand new CL, I actually pushed it in and it just worked perfectly now. So it's probably me, operator error more than anything. Yeah, that looks perfect. A little bit tight going around this way. No, it's not just me. Alright, so shim it out. Yeah, I got a Challenge Lock Wednesday video. Challenge Lock Wednesday video in. Nice, I love it. Ah, oh, feels like I haven't done a video in bloody years. Is that all the way in or what? Oh, it's only a 5-pinner. Of course it's all the way in. So easy to follow. Not that size, this size. Hey! Oh, I see some interestingness. I see some possible pin and pin in chamber 2. You guys reckon, no? Some pin and pin on 2? Let's have a look. Or maybe. That's the key. Alright, so hold on. So as you can see there, everything had to be picked. I'm just gonna try to gauge how much of a pick everything had to be picked. So the key was yeah, 1 was a high lift, 2 was a low lift. So there must be a pin and pin because to get it into that little valley in there, see 2 is a pin and pin, like that belly had to be picked, so that pin and pin had to go to that little skinny valley in there. Interesting. This might be a little ingenious CL. Come on, focus back down here, will you? There you go. Alright, that's done. Keeping 1 is a standard. 2 I suspect is not. And it is a pin in. Nope. It is a pin and pin. 3, 4. 4's got some serrations on there. And so is 5. So deep false hope. I was expecting some false sets and spools, but it looks like there's more serrations than anything. No mods to the core. Not that I can see in this poor light. No mods to the core. But it is a C4. Well, the only mods to the core is a finger and a smiley face. So, take that. Oh yeah, that's for the key. So I need to put another jacket on him. To put the knife away because we've seen someone cut themselves today already. A fellow Aussie. So, alright, start from the beginning. Be very careful about taking these out. And the orientation. Oh, look at that pin. It's a serration city. That shim out might help, eh? Oh, that went shooting. Oh man. that's hollowed out, bro. Why's that hollowed out? Long keeping, long driver. Huh. Very smart. Keep it balanced. Oh, oh. That is an evil, evil looking spool, man. Also spring so far. Let's turn around. Get the rest. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, I stuffed up and I don't know which way this guy went, but I presume that way. I will get in touch with NorthWegian Lockpicker and ask him which way that went, because this follower is a bit sticky in here. It just jammed up and moved real quick and had no control over it. Oh, another beautiful one here. These beautiful homemade spools, man. Serrated spools. Beautiful CL, man. That's awesome for a number 3, man. That is sick. So, oh my god, it's got serrations on the inner and the inside. Okay, I'll show you. I'll give you guys a close up of this. So, let's get the magic box. I'll give you guys a close up of this beautiful, beautiful seal by NorthWegian Lockpicker called Deep False Hope. Oopsies. So, what do we got here? Hold on. There we go. Look at that work. Look at that precision serration stuff going on there. That's crazy, bro. So it's standard keeping in 1, 2's got like a serrated end, which fits into this sort of sleeve, I guess. Yeah, it's thicker on this side. It's like recessed in the bottom, so that would fit over this guy. So basically, it would be like, I'm doing this left-handed, non-dominant hand. So basically, it'd be like that, and that's how he would able to be in that valley of cut 2, just like so. As you can see, very, very clever, very, very clever. 3 is standard. 4 is serrated, so is 5. Very fine serrations, very, very fine serrations, very, very catchy. I could feel they were serrated, that's why I was bouncing the pick, but man, this is some awesome, awesome work. Look at that. Serrated there with the spool element on top. Fully serrated there. Looks like another pin and pin almost. And when you look at it from there, it looks like a pin and pin, but it's been hollowed out to make room for the spring, so the spring doesn't overcompress, because you've got a long driver and a long keep in, and it's used all the same spring. So well done, man. That's excellent work. Sorry, I'm just drooling over this thing. I'm not sure if I got this the right way. I'm pretty sure I did. It's like a spool with a lip in the middle. This one here, wow, yeah, just a serrated spool, I guess, like serrated on top and spool element on the bottom. Yeah, NorthWegian Lockpicker, if you are watching, if you've made it this far, tell me if I've got these 3 drivers the right way. Confident with the first 2, but these 3 here came out pretty quick, and it's dark, and I haven't picked the lock for a while now. I'm going to use that as an excuse. So anyway, that was Deep False Hope by NorthWegian Lockpicker. He's number 3. Bloody awesome CL. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.